Urinary tract calculi are stones that are found anywhere within the urinary tract. We use more specific terms to describe stones in specific locations. Nephrolithiasis refers to a stone that's found within the kidney, whereas ureterolithiasis refers to stones that lie within the ureters. Commonly, regardless of their location, stones tend to be referred to as a group called renal stones. Let's remind ourselves of some key anatomy. So here we have the kidney, and lying within the kidney, we have the renal pelvis. Urine is drained from the renal pelvis into the bladder via the ureters, which are thin tubes of smooth muscle. The most common anatomical locations where urinary tract stones are found are at 3 points along the urinary tract, where the urinary tract becomes its most narrow. Starting superiorly, the first location is the pelvic-ureteric junction, or the PUJ, where the renal pelvis and the ureters meet. Then moving inferiorly, the next common location to find a stone is in the distal ureter, at the point at which it narrows as it crosses the pelvic brim. The pelvic brim, as you can see, is the edge of the pelvic inlet and marks the opening into the lesser pelvis, in which we find the urinary bladder. And the final common location for urinary tract stones to develop is at the point where the ureter enters the bladder, and we refer to this as the vesico-ureteric junction, or VUJ. As these three locations are the most narrowed points of the urinary tract, it means that if stones do develop and are of large enough size to become lodged, then it's typically at these 3 points that they're going to do so.